Hi students, we are going to start new chapter about alignments. When working on a linear project, whether it to be a renovation of an old New England cow path or a network of new subdivision roads, you will need to convey the horizontal layout information to the contractor definitely. This horizontal layout is called an alignment and drives much of the design in Civil 3D actually. So this chapter will teach you how to create alignments, how they interact with the rest of the design, and how to edit and analyze them, and finally how they work with the overall project. What we will learn in this chapter, we will learn create an alignment from an object. We will explore how to create a reverse curve that never loses tangency. Then we will replace a component of an alignment with another component type, and at the end we will also create alignments table with the data. So before starting any exercise, we must need to know alignment concepts, which is efficiently work with alignments. So you must understand two major concepts here. The first one, the interaction of alignments and sides, and the idea of geometry that is fixed, floating or free. So prior to AutoCAD Civil 3D 2008 releases, alignments were always part of a site and interact with the topology contained in the site, in that site. Civil 3D now has two ways of handling alignments in terms of sites. They can be contained in a site as before, or they can be independent of a site, which means siteless. So there is no difference between the alignments contained in a site and those independent of a site, since both can be used to cut profiles or can control corridors. But only the alignment contained in a site will react with and create parcels as member of a site topology. Unless you have a good reason for them to interact, it makes sense to create alignment outside of any site project. They can be moved later to a site if necessary. For the purpose of the exercises in this chapter, we won't place any alignment in a site, but for your information about site, you can also explore the previous chapter which we already discussed about the site. So stay tuned with us for the alignments, tips and tricks and advanced knowledge for the next video.